Hello friends, how are you doing? A long time I haven't posted any videos, and just that I was kind of busy with a lot of other things, my work, my job and everything else. So I just couldn't create any videos and post them. So apologies, and I hope I continue to create some more videos from here on. So I was looking for a dash cam, for my car, and a lot of options on Amazon, and tried looking through the features and things like that, and also my budget. I finally have got Procus Iris Dashcam. So in this video I'll show the unboxing. So let's start. So this is a booklet, the user manual. Here's the cam, very slim and lightweight. That's the attachment which will help hold the camera on the windshield, and that's the charging unit. Looks like good quality. So this is all what the box contained, and I guess it would be easy for me to install it. And I need a memory card though, so which I should be having, and buttons, function keys. And once I've installed it in my car, I'll share some sample videos of the quality that it provides. So that's all. Thank you very much. If you like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe, share, and spread love. Thanks everyone. Bye.